something wrong with him. I don't know if he's cursed or if it's something with his brain, but the only thing he ever says is,
I like trains.
I like trains. I like trains. From birth, the I like trains kid never spoke a word, not even to his parents, not a single sound was heard. But on the first day of school, the teacher asked his name. All he did was smile as he said,
I like trains.
I like trains. I like trains. They put him on some Ritalin to see if that would help. The doctor found the perfect dose and asked him how he felt. He stared at the doctor with a little creepy smile, and the I like trains kid said,
I feel great.
he got a fancy job and he straightened out his life. He met a nice girl who he asked to be his wife. As they stood at the altar and prepared to say the vows, he put a ring on her finger and he said, I like trains. I like trains. Got bad grades. I like trains.
Awkward date.
I like trains.
Don't like trains.
I like trains. I like trains. I like trains.
I Like Trains, another adsf movie t-shirt, now available at sharkrobot.com. Also, buy this song on iTunes and Amazon, link in the description. And also subscribe to the amazing guy who animated this video.